I think Floki Inu can hit 10 billion market cap in 2024. What do you think? Do you think Floki can make it to the $10 billion market cap? Well, let's analyze this bad boy to find out if this bad boy got what it takes to get to 10 billion market cap. If you are new here, you are watching the Betong Crypto. Yeah, I create content to help anyone out there interested in building wealth in cryptocurrency to understand how to navigate this brutal industry. I talk about market structure, how to buy, sell, take out profit, and much that I make you to understand how to keep money when you make it in cryptocurrency. And the way you keep money when you make it in cryptocurrency is by focusing on Bitcoin. And whatever we're gonna do here today or about Floki Inu is gonna center around what the bad boy or the big daddy Bitcoin is doing or is gonna do the next year, the year 2024. If you haven't yet subscribed to this platform, what are you still waiting for? Go right now and hit that subscribe button. It's free. It won't cost you anything. But if you do, I'm going to see my ear and it's going to tell the YouTube algorithm to push this content to reach out to more Floki Inu lovers or convert new Floki Inu lovers to come and enjoy the profit that this bad boy is going to provide to them. Now, let's look at this. First of all, I want us to see what this bad boy has done for the year. And what you see here is against Bitcoin. Okay? For the year, Floki Inu has outperformed Bitcoin to about 2x. So if, say, from the beginning of this year, you bought Floki Inu instead of Bitcoin, like you look at the chart, look at what I teach on my platform, like you look for coins that move alongside Bitcoin and even more, that have even more upside, then you would have been in Floki Inu. By the way, I've been talking about Floki Inu for some time now, so it's not any surprise for those of you who have been part of my platform. But you can see the data is clear in front of you. For the year, this bad boy is up 201%. For the month, is down 29%. For the week, is up 3.8%. For the day, is up 8%. And for the hour, is down 1.3%. And when I look at CoinMarketCap, I can see here that the volume for the past 24 hours is up 113.18%, and the market cap is up 10%. This means that something is cooking with this bad boy. And if we go to the chart of Floki Inu, we can see where price is at this point in time and where we might expect price to move, in the next, let's say, month, week, or the next 12 months. Okay, I'm looking at Floki on the weekly time frame. The reason why I pull this on the weekly time frame is because we have to look at the bigger picture. We have to see where price breaks structure and where we might expect price to come back and retest structure. You can see clearly here, price breaks structure at this point in time here, and maybe we can see price retrace back here or price can keep on going to the upside, no doubt. But we have to see where price breaks structure. And usually what I do is I bring in the Fibonacci retracement tool. I took it from the bottom to the top, and this is where I got the golden pocket. You can see clearly. This is the golden pocket. If you know very well, the golden pocket is an area where price is always going to react. If you say that coin is a good coin or that project is a good project, price is always going to react or react on the golden pocket or at the golden pocket. And you can see, multiple times price came here, it reject, and when price break, it has retest this. We can now see two weekly candles around this area, this golden pocket. Now, what does it mean? This means that for us to actually confirm the next leg to the upside or to start saying that Floki Inu might go and make higher highs is when price break this structure here. And price is gonna do this, no doubt. The price is gonna have to break this here, come here, hold this, then move, come, hold again, then move now to the upside. So this is my roadmap for Floki Inu. And why do I think Floki Inu is able to do something like this or can do something like this? When I go now to the community of Floki Inu, I can see that these guys are going like crazy. You can see their page on X. Look at this, almost going to 1 million followers on on X. And if you look at their posts, they have engagement. Look at this. They have views, engagement, and likes. Look at this, almost 1,000 likes. It means that they are investors that who are interacting with this platform. And if you go now to the website, you're going to see the ecosystem. They have the Valhalla game, the token file, they have the staking. You can see here, what is going on between them and Binance. It says Binance will support the Simpsons Cat airdrop to Floki holders. Floki trading bot is officially live on mainnet. Floki joins as official club partner of Nottingham Forest FC. So you can see good stuff. You look at this Valhalla English Premier League, supporting English Premier League. Valhalla scores major advertising campaign in Premier League. Partnership announcement. Floki partnered with Sunderland FCO for the full 2024-2025 season. So guys, these people, they are building. The marketing team is not sleeping. They have put themselves out there to make the public know about Floki Inu. We know that the ecosystem is so vast and their community is huge. You can look at the engagement, the product that they are building, everything. It tells me that this guy is the main business. And if we go back to, before we even go back, those of you who haven't followed me on X, this is my X platform. Oh, okay, we got to 600 followers on X. Go and follow me on X. Give me 1 billion followers on X. You can do that. I'm gonna be Elon Musk. Maybe if I get to 1 billion on X, I'm gonna buy X. Anyways, that's just an aside. But by the way, you understand what I mean? Go and follow me on X. Now let's get back to business. When you look at Bitcoin, where Bitcoin is at this point in time, let's go to Bitcoin. I want us to look at Bitcoin so that we can see what is going on with Floki Inu, and maybe the same thing is going on with Bitcoin. You can see ever since Bitcoin make this move from around 16,000, yes, price is still in structure, even though most people are crying, making noise that Bitcoin is gonna go down to this amount of money. Now, guys, don't listen to these people on X that make noise every now and then. What I want you to do is listen to what the chart says and the fundamentals of Bitcoin. And Bitcoin fundamentals shows that we are in the bull market. Don't get me wrong. Price can still come right down to this zone. But I'm going to explain to you guys why I think we might keep seeing price go to the upside. And if price is going to move to the downside, then I'm going to show you guys zones where we can expect price to reverse to. Now, looking at Bitcoin on the weekly time frame, you can see clearly, if I pull the FEB, I have to pull the FEB to give us a proper zone. From that bottom to the top, you're going to see that the area where we have the golden pocket is here, around $37,000. So can these guys bring price to $37,000? Yes, they can. And if they do bring price here, oh boy, this is going to be a healthy move for Bitcoin. I know most of you won't understand why I say so. If these guys bring price here, it means they can still bring price to recover this other vector here, which is going to take price around $30,000 or $21,000 to $29,000. So you can see the vector candles are here, and this one haven't been recovered, but they don't have to recover everything. But to an extent, if say we see some sort of crash in the market, then these are the areas where they can push price. But as of now, we are seeing structure. Look, they just recover just one vector here on the weekly time frame. So what we should expect is after this vector recovery, you see this huge buyback to the upside. It means that the market makers or the whales, they are favoring more upside. You can see this. Let me zoom in so you can see. Look at this hammer here. This candle here, and you can see the previous candles have closed above each other, and we should expect price to break this other zone here. And so this is the pivot point. I also drew this on the daily time frame. This was a pivot point. It's an area where we can see Bitcoin reverse from. And looking at also Floki Inu, remember we have to look at Bitcoin. Looking at where Floki Inu is on the weekly time frame, you can see that Floki Inu is at a zone also where Bitcoin, almost similar to where what Bitcoin is doing. If Bitcoin break this zone, come back, retest it, Bitcoin has to do something like this. Break this zone. Go above 65,000, come hold here around $62,000, then move upwards, come back, hold again here, then boom, shoot to about $100,000 for Bitcoin. And if this is the case, oh boy, you know what will happen to Floki Inu. Floki Inu is gonna be like, oh boy, this is the right time for me to skyrocket to the upside. So looking at where price is at for Floki Inu, look at this zone as I mentioned. On the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, price must break. Look at this zone here. I drew it, and how I got it is through the golden pocket. You can see it clearly here. So if I take out of this, you can see that price. The chart now looks clear. How or where are you gonna buy? Don't rush to buy. You can, like, if you're someone who is playing the long game with Floki Inu, then be rest assured that price can still come right down here to this zone. And if you see price here, oh boy, you are buying like crazy. Price is gonna do something like this. Come back, do it again, then go up, do it again like that. Then move to the upside. And then maybe come back, hold. Then start playing around and so on and so forth. So you can already imagine or anticipate what price might do in the future to help you build a strategy that is going to surround surround what price is going to do in the future. So I said, let me do this in the video so you can see the different zones where Floki is and what price might do. Like if price is going to the downside, where price might bounce, and if price is going to the upside, where price might reverse to and hold. So this is just the idea of this video, and we know that Floki Inu is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. I've just shown you what these guys are building. You can see their partnership, the utility. What the ecosystem on, and also you can see that investors love the project. And they are buying in. That's the reason why you can see right now the cap is 1.2 billion. So 1.2 billion, from 1.2 billion to 10 billion, this is so much profit you're gonna make if that's the case. So when you invest, you need to look at the bigger picture. You need to look at what price is doing and where price might be taking you towards. So this video is just to guide you to understand that Floki Inu, as any other coin in this industry, is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. Of course, when you make money, don't just like behave or pretend as if Floki Inu is one of the top coins out there in the space. Only Bitcoin and Ethereum for now are the top coins. If you make profit, cash it into Bitcoin. It doesn't mean that Floki is bad. It means that you're gonna have more opportunities to keep building, compounding, making more money with Floki Inu while you keep it in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Having said all this good stuff, if this video was helpful to you and you want me to keep creating more of such videos, then you have to subscribe. You must subscribe for more videos. And if you want one-on-one with me, this is my link tree, guys. Go at the description of this video. You're going to find my link tree. Connect with me. You can have one-on-one with me. Yeah, this is my, my appointment link. Book free 15-minute with me, 15-minute free call with me, and we can discuss what kind of challenges you're facing and how I can help you resolve these challenges. Remember, not everyone in this space can provide you these free 15 minutes. I am doing it because I have the time to educate those who are part of my community, those who really want to be successful. And if say you want to trade Floki Inu, you want an exchange, a no KYC exchange, then you can do this with Bitunics. And also, if you want to join my free trading group, then you have to use this Bitunics link. Register with Bitunics, then comment on my free Telegram. You can join my free Telegram through this link here. So just go to my Bitunics link, so go to my coin, my link tree. You're gonna find all of these links to connect with me or connect with me in that case. Yeah. So that's it for today. As I mentioned, go and do just that, and see you the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Ciao. Boom.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up. So